Are you tired of your guitar playing sounding dull and uninspiring? Do you want to stand out from the crowd and create a unique sound that reflects your personality? Look no further than finding your signature sound with these 5 must-know acoustic guitar types. By understanding the characteristics and capabilities of each type, you can unlock a world of possibilities and take your playing to new heights. Dreadnought, the powerhouse. If you're looking for a guitar that can deliver rich, booming tones with plenty of projection, the Dreadnought is for you. This classic acoustic guitar type is known for its large body size and deep, resonant sound. Its powerful bass response makes it perfect for strumming chords or providing a solid foundation in an ensemble setting. Whether you're playing folk, country, or rock music, the Dreadnought will give you the volume and presence needed to make a statement. Parlor, the vintage charm. For those seeking a more intimate and nostalgic sound, the parlor guitar is an excellent choice. With its smaller body size and shorter scale length, this type of acoustic guitar produces warm tones that are reminiscent of early blues recordings. Its compact nature also makes it incredibly comfortable to play while sitting down or on the go. If vintage vibes are what you're after, embrace the charm of the parlor guitar. Jumbo, the bold statement. When it comes to making a bold statement both visually and sonically, look no further than the jumbo acoustic guitar type. With its oversized body shape and robust construction, this instrument offers incredible volume along with enhanced bass response. It's ideal for players who love strumming aggressively or fingerpicking with power, as it provides ample headroom without sacrificing clarity or tonal balance. The versatile workhorse. If versatility is your priority, the acoustic guitar type is worth considering. This mid-sized instrument strikes a balance between a dreadnought and parlor guitar, offering a comfortable playing experience while maintaining excellent tonal range. Whether you're playing fingerstyle, flat picking, or strumming chords, the will respond beautifully to your technique. Its well-rounded sound makes it suitable for various genres and musical styles. Travel size, the portable companion. For musicians constantly on the move or those who want to practice wherever they go, a travel-size acoustic guitar is an essential companion. These compact instruments are designed with portability in mind without compromising playability or tone quality. They make great practice tools for beginners and seasoned players alike and are perfect for impromptu jam sessions or songwriting sessions on the road. By understanding these 5 must-know acoustic guitar types, you can find the one that resonates with you both emotionally and musically. Each type offers its unique characteristics that can help shape your signature sound. So why should you care about finding your signature sound? Well, having a distinctive sound sets you apart from other musicians and allows you to express yourself authentically through your music. It gives listeners something memorable to latch onto and creates an emotional connection between artist and audience. Finding your signature sound also helps inspire creativity by pushing boundaries and exploring new possibilities within your playing style. When you have an instrument that complements your musical vision perfectly, it becomes an extension of yourself, allowing you to communicate emotions effortlessly. Now that we've established why finding your signature sound is crucial, let's dive into how each acoustic guitar type mentioned above contributes uniquely. Dreadnoughts provide power and projection. Parlor guitars evoke vintage charm. Jumbos make bold statements both visually and sonically. Guitars are versatile workhorses. Travel-size guitars offer portability without compromising playability. By understanding the strengths and characteristics of each type, you can make an informed decision about which one suits your playing style and musical goals best. Experimenting with different guitar types allows you to expand your sonic palette and discover new sounds that resonate with you. In conclusion, don't settle for average when it comes to your acoustic guitar playing. Take the time to explore these 5 must-know acoustic guitar types: dreadnought, parlor, jumbo, and travel size, and find the one that speaks to you on a personal level. Your signature sound awaits. So go ahead, embrace the uniqueness of each type, and let your music soar to new heights.